In Web3, data is no longer in walled gardens. It's open and accessible, but difficult to use because it's just a lot of raw data dispersed in multiple places. For example, there was a massive spike in transactions on the Near network on January 16th. It is not easy to understand what caused that spike because the raw data was too difficult to work with. The problem is, how do we make this valuable but raw Web3 data usable? The raw data needs to be refined, but refining the vast quantity of raw data is expensive and requires specialists like data scientists and developers. Imagine how much faster things can be built if the refined data is easily accessible. Our vision is to accelerate the growth of Web3 by refining the raw data and making it accessible to anyone who needs it. We will accomplish this by, firstly, we will remove barriers to the data to make it easy for developers and data scientists to build their data models. We ingest and organize data from multiple sources into data nodes hosted by the INDIGO community. Secondly, we incentivize data scientists and developers to refine the data and build publicly available data models. The data models are minted into NFTs, enabling developers to own, control, and monetize the data models. Thirdly, we make the data models accessible to anyone. INDIGO has a marketplace where anyone can find and buy access to the data output using the INDIGO token.
To start the developer journey, we head to the documentation and download INDIGO's development template. We've connected to the INDIGO development database, and I've completed my model looking at transaction failures on the Near ecosystem. I've checked in my model in my own repository, and from here it can be minted on the INDIGO network, where it will be automatically built and served on the marketplace.
As a consumer, purchasing uploaded data is simple and straightforward. All I need is some INDIGO token. From there, I can go to the marketplace and choose a data model that I'm interested in. In order to purchase, I'll need to follow the steps below. Then I'll be free to download this data and use however I want. In this case, I can use the data to quickly see the reasons for these failed transactions.